I'm Jonny, and this is Pencil Pencil. Do you like our princess castle? I'll show you how to draw it. Are you ready? Have you got your pens and paper? I'm going to use the colour purple to draw a princess castle. And we've got this for inspiration. Look at it, it's fantastic. Look at the roof. There's a princess on the balcony. It's got lovely doors with a heart on, and trees and windows. We'll start by drawing a rectangle. This is going to be the main part of our princess castle. You ready? Let's go. There we go. There's the rectangle. This is going to be the centre of our princess castle. From here, we're going to draw two rectangles. They're going to be the towers of our princess castle. This is where one of the princess bedrooms is, but I don't know which side. You decide on your drawing where the princess sleeps. Okay, here we go. You see that? That's one rectangle. Let's go over to the other side of the castle and we'll draw another rectangle. You ready? Brilliant. How are you getting on? Huh, great. I'll tell you what, let's do two triangles. That's going to be the roof on our towers on our castle. You ready? Watch me. Just like that. Brilliant. That's the roof on our towers. Two triangles. Can you see on this roof here, it's got some tiles on it, like curved lines. That's what we're going to do next. We're going to do the tiles on the top of the roof. Watch, we'll start on this tower over here. Just curved lines like that. It's the detail on top of the roof. Huh, looks great. Can you do that? Be very careful when you're doing it. You've got to concentrate. Okay, we'll do the other side. We'll do some more tiles. Huh, looks great. Lots of detail on our princess castle. Okay, so we've done the roof. Can you see on the top of this roof there's like a crown with a ball on? We could do something similar. I'm thinking we might put a flag, two flags actually, on the top of our roof, on the princess castle. So I'm going to do a little dot and a line, and then I'm going to do a little dot and a line. Now I'm going to do the flag, which is going to be a wavy line. Watch. And then I'm going to do another wavy line below it, and then I'm going to do two lines like this. That's a flag. Now I'm going to go to the other side and draw another flag. This one is just going to be a rectangle, like that. Can you see? Brilliant. That's the roof on our princess castle done. Let's have a look at the princess castle here and see what else we can draw. We could maybe draw some doors and windows. Should we start with the doors? This door's got a heart on it. Maybe we'll do a heart on our door. Okay, let's go to the centre of our drawing and we're going to do a straight line and a curved line and then go down and do another line. I'll show you. So we'll go up like this, then we'll do a curved line and then down. That's going to be the door on our princess castle. Let's do some detail on the door. Let's do a line down the middle because on this door it's got two doors that open. We need to draw some door handles now. So I'm going to draw two circles like the handles on this. Ready? Just like that, two circles. And now we'll draw the window, the heart window on the door. Just like that. Watch me. There's one. There's two. Oh, that looks brilliant. Should we do the windows next? These windows have shutters on them, so they can close them at night time. Should we do some shutters on our windows? Yes, let's. We'll start by doing the towers first. Let's go over this side. So I'm going to draw the window. It's like the door really. It's a line, and then at the top of the line we're going to do a curved line, and then we'll do another line coming down, and then we'll go across at the bottom like that. That's our window. Let's draw another window on the other side. Remember, it's a line across, a line up, and at the top a curved line. I like drawing curved lines. So that's 2 windows. Should we do 2 windows below as well? Okay, here we go. Just a line again, a line across, a line up, and a curved line at the top. And we'll do one more at the other side. A line, straight up, curved line, and then down. Let's do the shutters now, and they're really easy to do. They're just rectangles really. So we'll do a rectangle here, and a rectangle here, a rectangle here, and here. That's our shutters. Let's go to the other side and do some more shutters, more rectangles. Ready? Here we go. Can you see that? I hope your drawing's going good as well. That's our windows on our towers, on our princess castle. Maybe we should do some more windows on the main house. This hasn't got any, but ours is a bit bigger than this princess castle. So I'm going to do 2 windows next to our door. Ready? Just the same as the other windows. Can you see? Your castle might be smaller than this, or it might be bigger. You might have more windows. Brilliant. I'm not going to put shutters on these windows though. What else can we see on our princess castle we could put on our drawing? Oh, well, we can see a balcony. Can we put a balcony on ours? Yeah, let's do that. I'm going to draw a balcony by drawing another line here. Just like that. And then I'm going to do some detail on the balcony. Like this. It's got swirly lines. So I'm going to do some swirly lines like that. They don't have to be perfect. Watch me. Swirls like that. Can you see? Oh, I love drawing swirly lines. Swirly lines for the balcony rails. What else can we see on here? Oh, should we do 2 trees? Yeah, let's do some trees outside in some plant pots like that. I'll show you how to draw them. Where should we draw them? I'm going to draw them just here beside the door. First, I'm going to draw a plant pot. Just a line at the top, then we go down, diagonal line, across, and then another diagonal line up. That's the plant pot. Then we're going to draw the tree. You can see the tree's like a big triangle. Let's do that. Big triangle here. Can you see that? A big triangle. Now we're going to do the stump on the tree. Ready? Just 2 lines. Look, it's a tree in a plant pot. I'm going to do another one at the other side now. Do the plant pot again. The tree, the triangle. And then the stump. 2 lines. Wow, that's our princess castle. What do you think? I love it. It's a little bit different to this, but it gave us some inspiration, didn't it? I tell you what, should we colour our princess castle in now? Yes, let's. Have you got any colouring crayons? Brilliant. I think I'm going to use some pink and purples, like this. Don't think I've got exactly the same pinks, but we'll see what we've got. I tell you what, for the roof, I'm going to use a felt tip pen. Yeah, it's like a pinky purple. I'm going to colour in the roof, that colour. Ready? You could colour in yours at the same time. I'm going to take some time and concentrate so I can keep in the lines. But it doesn't matter if you don't keep in the lines on yours. See, I went out the lines there, but it doesn't matter. It's my drawing. Okay. That's the first roof done. Let's do the other one. Okay. What do you think, Pencil Pencil? Yeah. I like it too. Okay, so that's the roof done. I tell you what, I'm going to carry on using this pen because I might colour my front door the same colour. You ready? Okay, you can swap the colour you use if you want. Great. It looks really nice, our castle. Would you like to stay there? Yeah, me too. Okay. Brilliant. That's the front door. Oh, actually, I'm going to colour my shutters in this colour too. Then I'm going to pick a different colour. Because we want to make our princess castle colourful. Okay, wow, that's looking great. Tell you what, I'm going to use the colour green now and colour the trees in. I'm going to use a crayon though this time. Nice green trees. Great, and I need a brown for the stump on the, it looks like a Christmas tree. On our tree, it's not a Christmas tree though, it's just a tree, but I'm going to use a brown for the stump. And then I'd like to use a nice colour for the plant pots for the trees. And what colour could I use for that? I might use the colour yellow. Yes. Brilliant. It's like a violet colour, pinky purple violet. And I'm going to colour the flags in this colour. Brilliant. And I'm also going to colour the main body of our castle in this colour like this. I'm really concentrating as well to keep in the lines. Oh, it's been so much fun, this. Drawing a princess castle. Okay. I think my princess castle's nearly done. What else shall I put on it? I tell you what, I'm going to colour the towers. And I'm going to colour them this nice pink colour. And then I think the castle is done. How's your picture coming along? Brilliant. I bet you'd love to live in your princess castle. Fantastic. Nearly there. That looks great. Wow, I've had so much fun drawing a princess castle with you. And Pencil Pencil, have you had fun? Great. Pencil Pencil's been watching everything we've been doing. If you've liked drawing a princess castle with me and Pencil Pencil, why don't you look out for our other videos? Bye!